Welcome to Project Management 1. The course code for this module is PM10D2. My name is S. Dube and I'm going to be the tutor or your tutor for this module. Let's look at the course content. What it is that we are going to cover in this module. We are going to look at the introduction to project management, the history of project management, project development stages, project management tools and techniques, managing projects by Gantt chart, work breakdown structures, critical path method, project team, risk management, monitoring and evaluation. So basically, when we talk about project, a project is a series of activities designed to achieve a specific outcome within a set budget and time scale. So in project management, the outcome, the budget, and the time scale is very important because a project runs within a clearly defined time span, or else things may not work out well. A project is a series of activities designed to achieve a specific outcome in a set time, budget, time frame and budget. A project is a clear start and end points and has got a well-defined objectives. Project management enables us to save time and money where we can accomplish our activities, reducing risks and failures. And project management is results-based management system that can be applied in business, engineering, construction, space exploration, church works, for your life, and more importantly in HIV and AIDS programs, we can use project management. A project is basically a temporal endeavor undertaken to accomplish a unique product or service. And the following are some of the attributes of a project. It's unique purpose, it's temporal, requires resources, often from various areas, should have a primary sponsor and a customer. So a project must have a sponsor who initiates the project. And also there must be customers. People are going to benefit out of that project at the end of the day. And let's look at the history of project management. Where does project management come from? The forefather of project management is Henry Gantt, called the father of planning and control techniques. In the 1950s, marked the beginning of modern project management era. In 1969, the Project Management Institution, PMI, was formed to serve the interests of the project management industry. In 1981, the Project Management Body of Knowledge containing standards and guidelines of practice was established. Some people argue that building the Egyptian pyramids was a project and so was building the Great Wall of China. Most people consider the building project Eiffel Towers, Empire State Building to be the first project to use modern project management. And this year, 2 billion, that's in 1946, projects had a specific project manager and a technical manager. Let's look at the project development stages. So basically the project initiation, where you initiate, that's the commencement, the beginning of the project. Project planning and design stage, project production and execution stage, project completion stage, and project monitoring and controlling systems. So those are the stages that are involved in the development of the project. Let's look at the life cycle of a project. So first of all, there's the feasibility. Is it feasible? Is it doable? Once that has been passed, we look at the planning and scheduling phase. Then after that, the implementation phase. This is the execution, where you really get down on the ground and make sure that things are done. The implementation phase, the monitoring and evaluating phase, and finally the closing down or handover phase. Project management tools and techniques. Project management tools and techniques assist project managers in their teams in various aspects of project management. Some specific ones include project charter, scope statements, the work breakdown structure, the Gantt chart, the network diagrams, the critical path analysis, critical chain scheduling, cost estimates, and value management cost. So that's an example of the Gantt chart there, and the work breakdown structure, and each tasks, on the left, and each task starts and finish dates are shown in the right using calendar as time scale. Early Gantt charts was used in 1917 and were drawn by hand. The work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure, or WBS, focus on the project deliverables, meaning what it is that is going to be done. So treat your work breakdown structure as a checklist of all the things that you need to complete. Assist to focus on the original intent, which is to help you organize and define the overall project scope. The work breakdown structure should accurately estimate your project cost and enabling you to create a schedule. The work breakdown structure, there's an example there. You can go over it and look more into detail, because this is about the accomplishment that you want to do. The critical path method, in 1957, DuPont developed a project management method. The CPM models the activities and events of a project as a network. Activities are depicted as nodes on the network, and events that signify the beginning or ending of activities are depicted as the arcs or lines between the nodes. Steps in the critical path method planning: specify the individual activities, determine the sequence of those activities, draw a network diagram, estimate the completion time for each activity, identify the critical path, the longest path through the network, and update the CPM diagram as the project progresses. The project team. Projects are planned, implemented, and monitoring and completed. Project teams, qualified and experienced members of 10 professionals, headed by project management or the team leader. The project team members are committed to complete the project according to its specifications, pre-planned time, and budget. The project team is temporal entity which dispenses after the completion of the project. A team to achieve the objective of the project and bear the collective responsibility. Moreover, they should hope for the best but plan for the worst. So teams are very, very much a characteristics of projects and project management, because without these teams, unfortunately, nothing can be accomplished. Risk management. Risk management is an important area in project management. Project risk is defined by an uncertain event or condition that if it occurs, has a positive or negative effect on a project's objective. Risk is an unexpected event that might affect the people, processes, technology, and resources involved in a project. Unlike issues which are certain to happen, risks are events that could occur, and you may not be able to tell when. Because of the uncertainty, project risk requires various or serious preparation in order to manage them efficiently. Risk management affects all aspects of your project. Risk can be positive, that is opportunities, as well as negative, generally referred to as risks. Risk management needs to be conducted from the start of the project, constantly discussed and monitored, and involve all members of the project team. Monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring is performed while a project is being implemented, which is with the aim of improving the project design and functioning while in action. Evaluation studies of the outcome of a project, changes in income, housing quality, benefit distribution, with the aim of forming the design of the future projects. Okay, so before we come to the conclusion of this module, I would ask you to study this manual for more information, and there are a set of questions there, and should you have any challenge, my contact details are there in the tutorials, and we can engage. Otherwise, I wish you all the best in your studies, and thank you very much.